Okay guys, so I've got something a little bit different today. I'm going to be talking about how AI can make anything for your CMS. I'm talking WordPress, Shopify. I'm going to be talking about Shopify specifically in this video, but everything I say will apply to both WordPress and Shopify. Stop bloating your websites with completely pointless tools and use AI to just make solutions for yourself instead. Stop paying for plugins when you just don't need them. And then I'm going to show you a use case where I'm just going to add a very simple pop-up on Shopify to get newsletter subscribers. Now let's just talk a little bit about why this is so useful. Okay, if you don't know, newsletters will sell a lot, right? Email, if you do a good automated email flow, right, and if you have a sale or whatever and you kind of just bombard people, it will make sales for you, right? So if you're setting up a new website, one of the first things you should do is you should start collecting emails, right? You should start collecting people's just the numbers, right? It's a numbers game. The more numbers you have, the better. So I personally think pop-ups are amazing, right? A lot of people hate pop-ups. My old boss refused to let me use pop-ups, but when we had them, we got almost 2,000 newsletter subscribers, all from organic SEO, right? So what I'm going to be showing you in this video, what I did then was I paid for a plugin. We're still paying for that plugin. We've probably given them over $1,500 over the years, right? It's been 2 years, so probably about that, to be honest with you. Instead, what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can just use Claude to make, basically anything you want in 5 minutes. And the reason this works is because Claude knows WordPress, Claude knows Shopify, right? And then these are CMS. What does that mean? CMS means content management. I know everyone knows this, but just bear with me, guys. System, right? So the important thing here is management system, not the content part. We don't give a fuck about content. What we actually care about here is management system, which means that everything is made with templates, right? And if everything is made with templates, you can easily make anything as if this was a custom website, right? And just stick it onto your Shopify and it will already have the functionality, right? So you might think, oh, well, how's it going to work? What's it going to be connected to? It's going to be connected to the content management system, right? So it already has databases. It already has all that good stuff. So look, I'll show you an example of this right now. If I go here to customers, you'll see I just tried this and I just signed up, right? So now this is a customer within this Shopify store. What we can now do is do a marketing campaign. We can set up flows, etc., etc. We have abandoned cart. We can do all these different things, right? We can automate emails. We can send out newsletters, all because we have a pop-up, right? So this is definitely one of the things that I recommend doing for all Shopify and WooCommerce stores. Pop-ups do work, and the reason is that you basically get them to sign up to your newsletter, and then they could be a permanent buyer from your store. So let's talk about how this actually works. It's so ridiculously simple, okay? Let me just show you this prompt. That's my prompt, guys. This is how ridiculous AI is getting. So look, I'll just do it in a completely different chat with Claude and then watch. So it's just going to create that, and then basically it will tell me exactly how to do it as well. So it'll tell me to go to online store, edit code, right? And then it'll tell me to put the code somewhere here. So we'll just, basically the way this works is because the system is already in place. All I'm doing is just using the system, right? So it says theme.liquid file, okay. So it's actually up to date with the latest Shopify versions, Shopify 2.0, which is amazing. So now if we save that, that should work. And then we just go to the store here, right? This is something that previously cost us 1,500 euros for 2 years, right? 3, 2, 1, it might be in 5 seconds, bang. And then we'll put, there we go, subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. For some reason, this goes down here. I guess we should also make this, oh no, it's the same because that's the way the system works, right? So now we'll go here, I'll make that, I'll change that, right? So I'll just say, this had a weird redirect to the contact form. Please make it just close after successful submission. And then if we just go to customers here, you'll see, bang. right? And then you can instantly send them an email, or you can send them an email after a day or 2 days or 3 days, or, you know, whatever. This is now a potential sale, right? That's what you've got to look at this. This is why I love Shopify. Shopify makes this so simple and easy. And we have sold hundreds of thousands of euros on 2Men just through the newsletter. Okay, so let's see if that made the change here. I don't know if it's going to work now because I've already subscribed, I guess. Oh, that's another thing I'll probably have to add, is that it doesn't just pop up for the same person, but it looks like it's already handling that. Again, this is why I love Shopify, right? I'll leave the video there, guys. I just wanted to talk about this because I think it's super, super important to know that there's just no point having apps. It's the same thing with translation apps. Like before, I would recommend using various translation apps, but honestly, just make your own Python script that connects to the Shopify API, translates, and then just posts it back to the live website. It's that easy, guys. Honestly, don't bother paying for apps anymore. It's totally useless. Thanks for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.